are packing lunch because today's a road tripping day. So we're making lunches from when we're on the road. We don't have to go too far, but we're leaving at 11. And so the bulk of our drive will be through lunchtime. So I'm making lunches. That way we'll have them in the truck and then we can eat when we get hungry. That's what's going on. Today is road tripping day.
Road tripping day.
That's when we are setting off to another location. So we are on our way to Happy Jack for a month.
Yes.
So super excited to be, I think it's going to be foresty. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm super excited. It's supposed to be, what, 20 degrees cooler?
At least 10 from where we just were.
Well, from our home. Though.
Oh,
like
30.
where the summer in June in Arizona is not so fun. So super excited about that.
And our friends, Becky and Casey from Enjoy Every Adventure, they're the managers there. So we'll have
good to see them.
We'll get to have a good time and spending a month up there with them.
Chris and Diane are supposed to join us as well for a week. They're going to take a week off of getting things at their house ready to head full time.
Yep.
And come join us up there and get out of the heat as well in preparing to leave in July to meet us.
I cheat, Casey. I got the knob. I got the forward assist. So we get here, and as we're getting set up, it's a beautiful place, and I grab our table with the wood on it, and it slips out of my hand. Guess what wood does? Splinter. I've got a splinter going all the way under my nail bed, and I can't get it out. So now we're gonna drive 30 minutes into Flagstaff, try to find an urgent care and see if they can fix it up, because it's a little painful right now. So now we're at Flagstaff Medical Center Hospital. We went to urgent care and they said there was nothing they could do for us, and they sent us over here. Luckily the nurse, when I was checking in, was super nice, and they got me into a room to wait, so we wouldn't have to wait in the waiting room out there, like super fast. Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Left the ER, I'm all wrapped up. They pulled about a 1-inch splinter out from under my fingernail. They actually had to numb my whole hand. They said it's just a middle finger, but it's my whole...
the worst part for you.
Yes.
Because it's not fun. They put shots into your hand to numb them. So
then the doctor literally peeled up my fingernail, pulled it out, put it back down. They actually burned a hole in my fingernail to allow the blood to drain out and everything else. And that's it. Lareka is going to be driving back to the RV park right now because my entire left hand is numb, and I figured it wasn't the greatest idea for me to drive right now. So I think we're going to stop and grab some food because the RV park is actually about an hour away from Flag here, and we're both pretty hungry. We're going to stop, get some food, and back to the RV park, but
could have been worse. The people there were amazing at the hospital.
Yes, Flagstaff Medical Center. If you're ever in the area and you need medical attention.
Miner, she was very good. And the nurse. And they just were and they got us on the fast track, which the fast track ended up being about 3 hours. But
yes,
the initial
we were there.
waiting room was 4. And that was just
to get
sitting in the waiting room for 4 hours. So we are very thankful.
Yes.
Let me see. What do I got to do?
All right, we're going to go. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So like we said, Lareka's driving home since my whole hand's numb, and to enjoy these beautiful views on the ride home. Now that Lareka's driving, I can actually look out the window at Lake Mary and then Mormon Lake. Mormon Lake up in northern Arizona, south of Flag. This is the first time it's had water in it in years from all the huge amounts of snow and the runoff. This is the first time Mormon Lake has had water in it in I don't know how many years.
I was doing laundry this morning, so I've been going in and out using my wagon here just because we're a little bit far from it. And Kevin met me up there, walking up there. He said we got an Amazon alert, and we got Amazon. Let me show you. So anyway, cool. I'm doing laundry today, so I had a few things to do. I was going to show you guys the laundry room. It's so cute. They've got a little library, which is so nice, and then we've got 2 machines, and they've labeled one. Let me show you a pet one, which you can still use, but I thought that was kind of cool. They have a little table here, and then 2 dryers. So, and they also have got a sink on both sides, and then each side has a shower and restroom, one for men, one for women. So, what's really cool is it's $1 for drying and $1.25 per load. So, not bad.
What a beautiful hike.
Yeah.
And we're only probably...
We're not even hiking. We're just walking through the little forest behind our rig.
Yeah, we're probably only about 50 feet into the tree lines behind all the RVs, and you would never know it. And it's
kind of a cloudy day today.
Yeah, little drizzles here and there.
Birds are chirping, and it just smells amazing, pine.
Yeah. And the best part is, it's June 2nd.
And it's what, maybe 65?
Yeah.
Maybe?
June 2nd, we're still in Arizona, and Lareka's wearing a sweatshirt. Awesome up here. Love it. So glad we came. Lareka found a fort.
We got 3 entrances. 1, 2, 3. This is more the door. Cute.
So Lareka and I are going to play Racco out here on the patio. What kind of games do you guys have with you in your RV? And what do you guys play when you're out and about and just kind of kicking it? Let us know. Leave us a comment below. Ah, Kevin wins.
The first round. You don't win it all until you get to 500.
Kevin wins the first round.
First round.
so beautiful out here. We're literally just walking in the woods behind the RV. Just enjoying nature, enjoying everything that God created out here.
But the wind sounds so pretty, whipping through the trees as you're walking.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Yep. And it smells so good. You can't smell it, but we can.
So my parents live about 45 minutes from the RV park, so we decided to come and visit and hang out for a day or so. Might as well bring the laundry, huh, babe?
Yeah.
Easier and cheaper than using the laundromat or the RV park. Mooch off your family any chance you get.